To do this activity, you will first need to go to your email and look for an email from me that's titled Sort Me Out. So this is the email. When you find it, click on it. Scroll down to see the images. Instruction number 2 is save all the images on that email to your drive. To save all the images in one go, look for the drive icon to the right of the images and click on it. What it means is that you can hover above each picture and you can either download the specific picture or add it to the drive. But you can also go to the right side over here and you can do it to all the attachments in one go. So you've got 15 pictures here and we want to save all of them in one go. Okay, so we're going to click the add all to drive. You can see it saving and then click organize, which will allow you to put it straight into a folder. You're going to see this window come up. Then you want to create a folder, that's instruction number 4, and name it images. So you go down here to the folder with a plus, new folder, you click on it, and then you type images. So from now on, all your images that you save to your drive, you can keep in there. And tick. And the last thing you need to do is to click move here. And now all those 15 images are saved into your drive to a folder that's called images.